The Samyukt Kisan Morcha has called off the tractor parade by farmers and has requested protesters to return to their respective protesting sites. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is an umbrella body of over 40 farmers' unions, said that the movement will continue peacefully and further steps will be discussed and decision will be taken soon. Security has been heightened at the Singhu border where farmers have been protesting for the past 2 months. Security at Red Fort and several other places in Delhi has also been heightened because of the ongoing farmers' protests. Additional forces have been deployed following Home Minister Amit Shah's meeting. High alert has been sounded across Haryana and internet and mobile network services in 3 districts of Haryana have been suspended following the violence during tractor rally in Delhi. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar chaired a meeting to review the law and order situation in the state. A high alert has been sounded in Punjab as well. The Delhi police have filed 22 cases in connection with violence that occurred during tractor rally in Delhi. Many farmers' leaders have also been named. The police said that 8 buses and 17 private vehicles were vandalized during the protest and over 86 police personnel were injured during the event. Delhi Traffic Police issued a traffic advisory this morning. Ghazipur Mandi, National Highway 9 and National Highway 24 have been closed for traffic movement. People commuting from Delhi to Ghaziabad have been advised to take Shadara, Karkari More and D&D roads. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has announced that the entry and exit gates of Lal Killa and Jama Masjid metro stations have been closed after clashes between protesting farmers and the police. The DMRC has said that all of the stations are open and services will continue as usual. Maharashtra Congress Chief Balasaheb Thorat condemned the violence that occurred during farmers' tractor rally in Delhi and pinned the blame on centre's arrogant attitude. He said that the Prime Minister did not even take note of protests, though they have been protesting for the past 61 days. Andhra Pradesh couple who killed their 2 daughters with dumbbells have been sent to jail. The couple is accused of killing their daughters allegedly to appease supernatural forces. The husband-wife duo also allegedly performed some rituals for several days at their residence. Italian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte has resigned. He is said to have put down his papers over an issue surrounding the government's plan for European Union funds to help the country's economic situation. The Italian Prime Minister is seeking to put together a new coalition and rebuild his parliamentary majority.